Your Volkswagen's engine is not just another piece of machinery, it's a carefully engineered system where every component works in tight harmony. The tolerances inside that engine are measured in fractions of a millimeter, and nowhere is that precision more critical than in the fuel injectors. These tiny nozzles are responsible for delivering the exact amount of fuel into each cylinder, at the right pressure, in the correct spray pattern, and at precisely the right moment. When everything is clean and functioning as designed, your Volkswagen feels smooth, responsive, and efficient. But the moment those injectors begin to accumulate carbon deposits or become partially restricted, the entire system starts to fall apart in subtle ways that quickly become noticeable. At first, you might just feel a slight hesitation when accelerating or a minor drop in fuel economy. Then it progresses. The engine begins to feel rough, less responsive, and eventually you may notice misfires, warning lights, or even hard starts. It's at this point that most owners turn to what seems like the easiest solution: a bottle of fuel injector cleaner. Pour it into the tank, drive normally, and expect everything to go back to normal. It sounds simple, and in some cases, it actually works. But here's the reality that many Volkswagen owners don't realize until it's too late. Not all fuel injector cleaners are created equal, and choosing the wrong one can do absolutely nothing, or worse, cause damage that leads to expensive repairs. The market is flooded with fuel additives that all promise similar results: cleaner injectors, better fuel economy, smoother performance. The labels are convincing, the marketing is aggressive, and the pricing ranges from suspiciously cheap to surprisingly expensive. But behind those labels is chemistry, and that chemistry matters a lot more than the branding on the bottle. Volkswagen engines, especially modern TSI, TFSI, and TDI variants, operate under conditions that are very different from older engines or large displacement American V8s. Higher fuel pressures, tighter tolerances, and more complex injection systems mean that the wrong additive isn't just ineffective, it can be harmful. One of the most common mistakes VW owners make is reaching for generic store-brand injector cleaners. These are the bottles you'll find sitting on the lower shelves of big-box retailers, often priced significantly cheaper than the name-brand options. On the surface, they seem like a great deal. After all, they claim to do the same job for half the price. But when you look at what's actually inside those bottles, the story changes completely. Most generic cleaners rely on very low concentrations of cleaning agents like polyisobutylene, diluted heavily with cheap solvents. The result is a product that looks like a cleaner but performs more like a mild fuel additive with almost no real cleaning power. For a Volkswagen engine, that's a problem. The injectors in these engines require a strong and effective cleaning agent to break down the hard, baked-on carbon deposits that form under high-pressure conditions. A weak cleaner simply won't cut it. Even worse, the solvents used in some of these budget products can gradually degrade rubber seals and other sensitive components within the fuel system. So not only are you wasting money on something that doesn't work, but you may also be slowly introducing new problems into your engine. Another trap that catches a lot of well-intentioned VW owners is using injector cleaners designed primarily for American V8 engines. These products are often heavily marketed and widely available, which makes them seem like a safe choice. But the reality is that they're formulated with a completely different type of engine in mind. Large displacement V8s operate at lower fuel pressures, have larger injector openings, and use different combustion chamber designs. The cleaning agents in these products are often more aggressive because they're designed to deal with a different type of deposit buildup. When you pour one of these into a Volkswagen engine, it's like using industrial-grade cleaner on something delicate. The injectors in a VW are far more precise, and exposing them to overly aggressive chemicals can lead to long-term wear or even damage. It's not something you'll necessarily notice right away, which makes it even more dangerous. Over time, however, the effects can show up as inconsistent performance, rough idling, or injector failure. Then there are alcohol-based fuel system treatments, which are still surprisingly common. These products often use ethanol or isopropyl alcohol as a primary ingredient, acting as both a solvent and a cleaning agent. While this might have been acceptable for older carbureted engines or early fuel injection systems, it's a poor choice for modern Volkswagen engines. High-pressure direct injection systems are particularly sensitive to changes in fuel composition, and adding excessive alcohol into the mix can disrupt how the system operates. Alcohol doesn't effectively remove the kind of carbon buildup found in VW engines, especially on intake valves in direct injection systems. What it can do, however, is attack seals, alter fuel properties, and lead to inconsistent combustion. It's a classic example of using the wrong tool for the job. Just because something is labeled as a cleaner doesn't mean it's actually solving the problem you have. A more surprising category of products to avoid is two-stroke engine treatments that are sometimes repackaged as fuel additives for broader use. These products were originally designed for small engines like lawnmowers or chainsaws, where oil needs to be mixed with fuel for lubrication. In a 4-stroke Volkswagen engine, that kind of additive is completely unnecessary and potentially harmful. The oil-based compounds in these treatments can foul spark plugs, contaminate oxygen sensors, and leave behind residues that actually make injector deposits worse over time. It's also worth being careful when dealing with diesel-formulated cleaners, especially if you've owned a diesel VW in the past or have multiple vehicles. Diesel injector cleaners are designed for a completely different type of fuel system. They include additives that improve lubricity for diesel fuel, which isn't something petrol engines need. Using a diesel cleaner in a petrol Volkswagen won't clean the injectors at all, and in some cases, it can leave behind residues that negatively affect combustion. Another ingredient to watch out for is naphthalene, a compound found in some older fuel system cleaners. While it can act as a solvent, it's particularly harsh on the materials used in modern Volkswagen fuel systems. Seals, O-rings, and injector components can be damaged over time with repeated exposure. The damage might not be immediate, but it accumulates, leading to issues like fuel leaks or poor engine performance down the line. MMT, or methylcyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl, is another additive that should raise a red flag. It's often used as an octane booster, but it comes with significant downsides. MMT leaves behind manganese deposits that can coat spark plugs and oxygen sensors, interfering with their ability to function correctly. Since modern VW engines rely heavily on sensor feedback to maintain proper air-fuel ratios, anything that disrupts those readings can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and even engine faults. Even products that are technically effective can become problematic if used incorrectly. Concentrated injector cleaners, for example, are designed to be diluted before use. Pouring them into your tank at full strength can overwhelm the system, loosen large amounts of deposits at once, and clog fuel filters or injectors. It's a reminder that more isn't always better, especially when dealing with chemical treatments. And then there are the products that simply don't do what they claim. Some additives are marketed in a way that suggests they clean injectors, but in reality, they're just octane boosters. While increasing octane can have its benefits in certain situations, it does nothing to remove carbon deposits or restore injector performance. If the label doesn't clearly mention a proven cleaning agent like PEA, it's probably not doing the job you think it is. Volkswagen engines use very precise fuel injectors that control how fuel is delivered into the engine under high pressure, so even small amounts of carbon buildup can quickly affect performance. While fuel injector cleaners can help restore performance, the problem is that many products on the market are not suitable for VW's modern engine designs. Cheap store brand cleaners often contain weak or overly diluted chemicals that do little to remove tough deposits, while some additives made for large American V8 engines are too aggressive for the delicate injectors in VW's TSI and TFSI engines. Other products like alcohol-based treatments, diesel-specific cleaners, or MMT octane boosters can actually create new problems. Even overly concentrated formulas can clog filters if misused. In contrast, high-quality cleaners that use PA, polyethyramine, such as leaky moly Jectron or Chevron Techron, are specifically designed to break down carbon deposits safely without harming engine components, making them far more effective for maintaining Volkswagen engines properly. VG44K is another standout product with a strong reputation. It's often used by professionals because of its high concentration of active ingredients and its ability to deliver noticeable results, even in engines with significant buildup. While it's more expensive than many consumer-grade options, the effectiveness often justifies the cost. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is also a solid choice, offering a balance between availability, price, and performance. It uses proven PA chemistry and is safe for regular use, making it a reliable option for ongoing maintenance. Similarly, products from brands like Wins and Redline provide effective cleaning solutions tailored for modern engines, including those found in Volkswagen vehicles. For more serious cases of buildup where the engine is already showing noticeable issues like rough idle, hesitation, or poor fuel economy, Leaky Moly's Proline Injector Cleaner is designed as a stronger, more aggressive treatment. It contains a higher concentration of active cleaning agents, allowing it to break down heavy carbon deposits that standard cleaners may not fully remove, making it especially useful for neglected Volkswagen engines, or those with long service intervals. It's typically used as a one-time deep cleaning solution rather than for regular use. Once the injectors are cleaned and performance is restored, it's better to switch to a milder maintenance product like Leaky Moly Jectron, which helps keep the fuel system clean over time without being overly aggressive, ensuring smoother performance and preventing deposits from building up again. In the end, the key takeaway is simple but important. Your Volkswagen's fuel system is a precision environment, and it deserves the right kind of care. Using a high-quality injector cleaner with the correct active ingredients can extend the life of your injectors, improve performance, and save you money in the long run. On the other hand, using the wrong product can lead to wasted money, reduced performance, and potentially costly repairs. Understanding what goes into your fuel tank is just as important as understanding what goes under your hood. The difference between a good cleaner and a bad one isn't just marketing, it's chemistry, engineering, and compatibility. And when you get that right, your Volkswagen will reward you with the performance and efficiency it was designed to deliver.